How to add event to calendar app on your iPhone. First, open the calendar app on your iPhone. Now, choose the date when you want to add your event. Once you've selected the date, tap the plus button in the top right corner. You'll now see the new event screen. Start by entering the title of your event. For example, I write meeting. You can write any event that you want. Next, choose the start date and time for your event, and then set the end date and time. If your event will last all day, you can turn on the all day option. You can also add a location if the event is taking place somewhere specific. If you want your iPhone to remind you about the event, tap Alert and choose when you'd like to receive the notification. You can also add a second alert, invite people, select a calendar, or add notes to provide more details about the event. Once you've entered all the information, tap Add in the top right corner. And that's it. Your event has now been added to your iPhone calendar.
If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.